Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So first of all, let's open this box. And as you can see, in this case I have the full glass with these frames around, and inside I can also find stickers and two wipes, and that's all. There's nothing inside, so let's put it back. Right now, when you take a look on the screen, as you can see here, you can find some kind of the mess, some fingerprints, pieces of the dust. So we have to remove everything that is on the screen, and we have to start from this wet wipe. And also, if you don't have this wipes in your box setup, you can use, for example, the paper towel and window cleaner. It will work almost the same way. Okay, and I just find out that right now on the screen there is additional protection that I didn't remove, but I have to when I try to install this full glass. So let me show you. It's basically very thin foil that I can remove with my fingernail. And as you can see right now, the screen is clean almost, without any scratches. So you just have to take a look on your screen and be sure that there is no any additional protection. There was actually this default protection that is attached with the phone by Samsung. So right now I'm gonna just clean only the frames, because there's the place where some kind of the greasy marks appears. And after that, when you finish the wet cleaning, go for the dry wipe and remove all of these wet cleaning marks. The next step is very simple. You have to get this dust absorber and just stick it to your finger, and then try to remove any pieces of the dust from your screen, because when you leave something like that, you will get air bubbles when you apply protection. Okay, for me it looks like everything is fine. So right now it's time to grab the tempered glass, and we have to start by removing this sticker. So do it gently and try to hold it in this position. Do it slowly. Right now just take a look for your screen another time, and in my case there's another piece of the dust. It was located right here, and then I can recommend you to hold this protector like that, and first put the upper section of the protector on your screen and try to put it correctly for the both edges. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit to show you how it looks closely. Okay, I guess in my case I have to move it a little bit to the left, and I guess it's right now correct. Then when you are sure that everything is fine, just put also the bottom part on the screen, on the display, and just simply press with your finger, and after that just take a look. It will also, it will basically just automatically stick to the screen. If you have any air bubbles, you can just remove them by using your fingernail. Let me show you how it works. For example, in this section, take a look. You can make it just like that. And the same, for example, right here. If you still cannot get rid of that air bubbles, you can just lift this glass by using your fingernail Let me show you, just like that. And then just push another time with your fingernail. So I have to do the same for the bottom section of the screen, for the both corners, because there is some kind of the stuff that I want to remove. And at the end, I can just recommend you to use this wipe to clean glass. Press on it to let it stick properly. And as you can see right now, everything is fine and it's finished. So that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.